Welcome back to Scotty's Hobbies. Are you in the Tracy area? So Tracy, Manteca, what is that, Lathrop, Mountain House, and you need a brake job for a very good price? Well, I might be your answer. This is a brake lathe here in my garage. So most brake jobs on floating rotors like this, I could get the whole job done for about 180 to 190 bucks. That's including everything, the pads, resurfacing the rotors, everything. When I do brake jobs, I make sure I tighten everything up to proper specifications using the brake motor guide right here. This also lets me know the minimum thickness that your rotor could be, so we're making sure that we're working with good rotors. I measure the rotors before and after we get done machining them as well. When I do a brake job, all my brake jobs, I do the best premium quality that I could do. I always lube up your sliders, I always clean up your brake caliper brackets, always use torque specifications, and 9 times out of 10 I make a video so you could do the brake job next time yourself and just bring me the rotors to resurface. Now if you are doing your own brake job, if you find a video on Scotty's Hobbies, there's a ton of them if you check out my library, that you're going to be able to figure out how to do your own brakes. Now if you want to do your own brakes, go ahead and bring me your rotors and I will resurface your rotors for 25 bucks a piece. This is a great AMCO machine, very reliable. I love working with these machines. I love doing brakes, period. If I could help you out, shoot me a text via 925-418-5096. Shoot me an email. There will be a link in the description below to check that out. And hopefully I'll see you guys around. Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies, and I'll see you on the next hopefully helpful video.